Today I went into Walmart and found the Easter 75% clearance. Hi friends, welcome to the channel Sophia Sews and Play. I'm Sophia. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, subscribing, liking, commenting. Thank you. I have another clearance haul for you. This time I went to Walmart and got 75% off the Easter clearance. And so I'm going to share what I purchased for you. I mean, what I purchased for me, I'll show it to you. So, without any further ado, first things first, look what I got. This was on clearance for 75% off. I think I paid like $4 for these. And I want it for me. I put these on and my little Coco just go crazy. So these are mine. And I have a bag here. I bought stuff to share with my daughter. So you'll see doubles and triples and all kinds. So first I have this right here. I always wait for the clearance day. And then like next year, I don't have to go shopping. I just use the ones that I have put away, and then I go again next year. So these, I was waiting for the 90% off, but then if I had waited for 90% off, I will not get these things. So I have this. This, you can never do wrong with this. This don't, I don't even wait till the holidays to use them. As soon as the old ones start getting chipped up on the edges, I just start a new one. And then these boards right here, you could use these for other arts, but then that's another video. But this, I got this. I'm not going to go through the prices of these things, but what I am going to show you is what I got. Look at this one with the, what's this? A bow. So cute. You can use this for any kind of art. I had this the other day. I bought this in Hobby Lobby, I think, something like this in Hobby Lobby, or maybe it was Walmart when they first came out. I just got one, so then this was the last one on clearance, so I got it for pennies. And these are very good for any occasion. Even while sewing, you could grab these as holders and stuff like that. So I got these. These are so cute. Not only for chips bags, right? And then I had gotten one of these before the holidays, the Easter holidays, for my little candle. I have some candles. Let me show you what I use these for. Hold on. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me see. I had these Easter eggs candles. I've got these at the Big Lot. And then I waited for the clearance at Big Lots, and I got them. And I didn't have, they just came like these. And so when I saw this year in Walmart, I bought it for $4.99. And then I had, so I decorated like this. But then in the clearance, I saw these for 75% off. So I got a white one and I got this one. Because I do have another 6-pack of these, but I didn't take them out because I didn't have where to put them. Of course, I could have bought it for $4.99 at Walmart at Easter, but I thought I'm not gonna pay $4.99 for that for 2 of them. So now I have 3. See, that's the reason why I have to go back and forth, because I have a box back here. I just came in with all these bags and I dropped them in a box. So I'll just take them out like this. And then I want to save my little bags. So I got these for my lovely grandkids. These or, I'll give it to you upside down. Okay. These are stepping stones, I believe. Whatever they are, this is what they have, and they could paint, and this is, I guess, how it would look when they're finished. Oh, they got it right there. So I think this would be a lot of fun, keep them busy. So I have 2 of these. And I guess I just keep these in the bag because these are my daughters. And then, let's go back by bag, friends. Look at You know what? I'm going to put all these bags back here so I don't have to keep giving you my bag and my size and all that. So let's put a few bags and then we'll come back for more. All right. There we go. So then we'll go with this bag. And then I have, I don't know what this is. Daffodils? I'll find out. But this is what I have 2 of these. What is this? Under 3 years old? Oh, that's what it's supposed to be like. I guess I'll keep one just to play with it. I don't know. I think I got these for me from my backyard. Yeah, we'll see. But anyways, I got those 2. So we'll put this back here so I can put all these other bags. Let's put this here. Because after this video, then I have to clean up. It's less clean up. And look at this cuteness, friends. I do apologize for the lighting. Okay. I think I got 2 of these. Oh, because one is my daughter's. Okay. So hers goes, it stays in this bag. Yes. Look what else I have. Look at this. This is a lot of fun. This is not only for the holidays. This is for when you just want to have fun with cookies. And then look at this. All these little gadgets like this I like to get on Easter. So this fell off of something. Hoping it's not. Okay, it fell off of mine. So we'll go here. Because I now have 2 of these. And then I got this for the glass doors. Can never do wrong with these spatulas, man. They always are in use. Okay. So then, of course, you know I have to get my plates, my decorated plates. So I got these type of plates. These were also 75% off. I think I paid for this one right here about 75 cents. This one right here was 25 cents. These are the same size. These are the different designs. These bigger ones were 99 cents, 97 cents. Okay, so these right here, I have to share with my daughter that one. I think I got more plates. I do get a lot of plates. These are also 25 cents. These should have been 15, but it's 25. These are the same ones, same ones, same ones, same ones. These kinds. Yeah, we use a lot of these plates. 25 cents. Yes, sir. So, let's get another bag. I have another bag. I'm so finished. I will see. I just got to share all this goodness with you. So you can see, I mean, if you're a consumer like me and you like to purchase clearance because you just can't afford or you don't want to get it at the full price, there it is. This is all you can get. I got a bag full of more plates. All these are more plates for 25 cents. Oh, showing me the plates, right? More plates. Look at these guys. You know, the register said something that made a lot of sense. She was saying that these green ones here, I have some green ones somewhere. Well, I don't. Okay, anyways, the green ones today, she was saying I could use this at Christmas time, and it is true. So I thought, well, this will come in very handy also for 4th of July. So these right here also were 97 cents. Yes. I thought I had some red ones. Not red, green ones. Here I have more of the 25 cent one. Different designs, the eggs and this one. And let's see. I think this one is the same that I have there. This one I got for my daughter. So we'll put it in her little bag right here. One of them. One of my daughters. These right here were $3. I just got two, one for each. Look at this. Thongs, thong, thong, thongs. Thong, thongs. Then this one right here. Cuteness. Here's another one of these. I do have to give my daughter some. I don't know what religious egg fillers. Oh, here. This is for my grandkids. I think we're going to do this together, though. This is not going to their house. This will be like something for us to do together here. Oh, I got one more bag in here. And here is this other bag of this gift bags filler papers. What do you call these? Tissue papers. Cute. You can never do wrong with these. They're cute. I think that was like 25 cents. Oh, here's another one of that. I think this is my daughter's. And this right here, what are these? Let's see. What are these? These are wooden bunny with magnetic pieces. Okay. So I'll keep one and one for each kid. Easter activity little book. Oh, you know what? I have another kid who will be able to use that. Perfect. So, yes. That is my Walmart clearance. Easter clearance haul. So, friends, I'll see you on this video right here. Thanks for watching. And let the peace of God rule in your heart to the which also we're all calling one body. And let us be thankful. God bless you. Thanks. Okay, friends, these were the rest. I went in the room and I saw the other bags. Remember I said something about the green, that the register was telling me that I could use these for Christmas because they're green and white and gold. I found these in the other bag that I had. I knew I had some green ones. I just didn't remember what happened to them. So these are, I got 4 of these. I'm lying, I got 3. And then I found that I had this extra in the bag and also have the napkins that goes with those green ones. So, and then I found another one of these. So I guess I get that one for my daughter. And then I got this, another one of these. So that one will be for me. And don't judge me, okay? These were on clearance also, and I just had to have them. So this one is the sour. I've had this. This is so good. I've had this one too. Oh, but of all of the ones that I got, this is the best. Dr. Pepper is the best. They're all good, but Dr. Pepper is my favorite. And so this. Yes, this is for my sugar. I do love marshmallows with chocolate, dark chocolate. Man, it's the best. And then if you throw in between it a almond, oh, guys, you gotta taste it. I mean, you don't have to because this, I don't know. I don't know what to, I don't want to say anything negative about it, but you know, it's not too good for your body. But it's peeps, guys. It's peeps. It's marshmallows. Anyways, that's the end of the video. God bless you. I'll see you in my next video. I'll be sewing next week on my little old vintages.